Mga ka-Nose! Welcome sa aking YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Maiko Ryan Diesto. And for today's Tastes Review episode, Omasari products by these following brands. They're located at Quezon Street, Villa Arevalo, Iloilo City, between Land Heights Phase 1 and Phase 2, in front of Glory's Cafe 3rd Gen and Mixed Trading. For full list of their menus and other details, I'll provide description down below. And for this episode, this is a sponsored brand review and disclaimer lang mga Nos, this is my opinion and my own standard when it comes to brand or tastes reviews. Like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. At para always kayo notified sa mga latest episodes ko, just click notification bell icon. Kapag may nakita kayong skip ads, kahit ilang seconds or ilang minutes, huwag niyo pong i-skip. Malaking tulong na yun sa aking channel. Sir Vanilla Dip for 79 pesos. Dessert Chocolate Dip for 79 pesos. Dessert Dulce de Leche Dip for 79 pesos. For their unique waffles, it has the similar taste and texture for its right softness or cake. Perfect in combination for its right sweetness, distinctive flavors, or dips. These are hot coffee with milk for 60 pesos. For this hot beverage, it has a distinct flavors for its coffee essence and also for its right balance for its milk base and acidity. You could also choose your average, mild, strong coffee. This is your tangerine drink for 80 pesos. This sweet orange drink, it has a good balance with sweetness, citrus feel, and also for its eye-appealing color. This is a green apple drink for 80 pesos. For this drink, it has a fiber-rich fruit. Green apples have lower sugar levels and more minerals and antioxidants. This is your cranberry juice for 50 pesos. For this healthy and delicious drink, an excellent health benefits such as antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. This is Tantanmen for 169 pesos. Is the Japanese take on Sichuan dandan noodles. In this dish, yummy ramen noodles are steaming in a deliciously balanced soup with hot spiciness from Ryu, Japanese chili oil, and a mellow nutty sweetness. For chicken miso for 150 pesos. Marinated in a homemade all-purpose miso sauce and pan-fried till crispy. This miso chicken is very moist, flavorful, and delicious. This miso chicken yields plenty of flavors. This is your Tonkatsu ramen for 169 pesos. A specialty dish, the soup broth is based on pork bones and other ingredients, which are typically boiled for several hours. And the dish is traditional topped with sliced pork belly and served with ramen noodles. Your sliced pie for 35 pesos. Perfect pasalubong para kay nanay at sa buong family. It has the soft pie texture and also for its right balance for its sweetness, excellent and delicious taste for pie. These are nachos for 120 pesos. For their special sauce, it has a kick of spiciness mixed with savory and sweetness. And also for its crispy nachos. Quesadilla for 129 pesos. Soft texture and very similar to ultra-thin pizza flavors. For its meats, melted cheese, and sauce. Mapapabusog ka sa sarap. Okay, for rating mga Nos, based on my experience and overall review with Ilonggo vloggers, we'll give it a perfect 10. For these three amazing brands, they have this unique and perfect combination for their drinks, foods, and desserts. Affordable na, sulit, and best quality and food finds in Villa Arevalo, Iloilo City. Magpasalamat ako sa mga Ilonggo vloggers na kasama ko for assisting and joining me for this wonderful experience, kay Shane Vlog, kay Heart, and kay B-Boy Vlog TV. and most especially sa mga managers and staff for these amazing local brands. So once again, congratulations and thank you to Diffles, Ramen Bar, Meep the Rapper, Pies Taqueria, and Glory's Cafe 3rd Gen. Stay safe, manos! See you in the next brand, Taste Review, or Do It Yourself episode here in City of Love, Iloilo City.